Installation tutorial for iDraw Serial Inkscape extension. First, download the Inkscape software. Double-click to open the installation package and keep clicking Next. Go to the official website of UUNA Tech. Select Software for iDraw. Select your corresponding operating system. Download this zip file. Unzip this file. Copy all the files and folders inside. Open Inkscape. Click Edit Preferences. Open the folder System User extension. Paste all the files and folders you copied just now here. Close Inkscape and open it again. Click to Extensions and select the corresponding extension according to the model.